Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about AP Gram Sachivalayam Part B questions. It consists of history, economy, geography and politics. Now look at the questions and give a quick revision. According to Meteorology Department of Indian Government, monsoons in November is termed as retreating southwest monsoons. Retreating southwest monsoons. Second question. The programme meant for developing of about 34,800 kilometers length of economic corridors of India. Bharatamata Pariyojana. Bharatamata Pariyojana. What is another name for Srisailam Hydel Power Project? Another name for Srisailam Hydel Power Project. Neelam Sanjeev Reddy Sagar Project. Neelam Sanjeev Reddy Sagar Project. It is built on the river Krishna. It is built on the river Krishna. Fourth question. The Tribal Welfare Development has been accorded permission for converting 50 tribal welfare hostels into residential schools. Residential schools. The Backward Classes Welfare Department focuses on them through economic development. The Backward Classes Welfare Department focuses on them through economic development. Next question. Self-Help Group Bank Linkage Programme was launched by NABARD in the year 1992. Self-Help Group Bank Linkage Programme. Next question. The female labor force participation rate in 2018 is. The female labor force participation rate in 2018 is 26%. 26%. Rajaraja Narendra is a Eastern Chalukyan king. He is an Eastern Chalukyan king. Who is the chairman of National Credit Council Study Group? Chairman of National Credit Council Study Group was Professor Dr. Gatgill. Professor Dr. Gatgill. Next, APSSITC, APSFC, APIIC helps to promote the development of which industries? Small scale industries. Small scale industries. Who is the author of Social Contract? Who is the author of Social Contract? Rousseau. Rousseau. Second largest producer of wheat in the world is? Second largest producer of wheat in the world is India. Next question. According to Maxwell, society is a web of following. Society is a web of social relationships. Social relationships. The two rivers flowing in Visakhapatnam district are Sharada and Tandava. Sharada and Tandava. Superior quality limestone is available in which areas of AP? Superior quality limestone. Jammalamadugu and Maidukuru. Jammalamadugu and Maidukuru. Next question. AP stands in which place in overall health performance of NITI Ayog, which is done in 2018? It stands in 8th place. It stands in 8th place. The President of India can be removed from office through? President of India can be removed from office through impeachment process. Impeachment process. Next question. The chairman of Agricultural Credit Review Committee is. The chairman of Agricultural Credit Review Committee is A.M. Curso. A.M. Curso. The origin of caste system in which culture? The origin of caste system in which culture? It happened in Indo-Aryan culture. It happened in Indo-Aryan culture. Next question. Theory relating to the nature of society is. Theory relating to the nature of society is idealist theory. Idealist theory. Largest and smallest populous state in India are Uttar Pradesh and Sikkim. Uttar Pradesh and Sikkim. Community managed sustainable agriculture is a part of. Community managed sustainable agriculture is a part of Society for Elimination of Rural Poverty. Society for Elimination of Rural Poverty. Panchayati Raj Day is celebrated on April 24th. Panchayati Raj Day is celebrated on April 24th. Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 is amended as the Untouchability Offence Act 1955. It is amended as the Untouchability Offence. The highest civilian award Bharat Ratna in 1954 was given to S. Radhakrishnan. S. Radhakrishnan. Please do revise all the questions twice and thrice, and I'll be sharing you all the next important questions in the upcoming videos. Do like and share.